Hi, this is Marcia, and today we're talking about ways to authenticate the learning. Hi, everybody. Thank you for joining. Today we're talking about how to make sure that the students are doing the work inside your classroom. So we're going to talk about different ways to authenticate that learning. And one of the easiest ways to get started is going into Canva and pulling out those graphic organizers. I know it might sound crazy, but yes, a graphic organizer is going to help to make sure that the students are understanding the concept. So go grab some free ones from Canva. Number two, really think about your power of your small groups. If you haven't done or have not deployed small groups yet, give it a try. It's worth it because that's where you're going to build relationships with the students. You can build upon prior knowledge. You can check for understanding, and you have the ability to look for that visual thinking in the moment. All right, if that's not your thing, then during our workshop, Did AI Write That? We really spent a lot of time diving deeper into visual thinking resources. I'm just going to give you a few of our favorites, but if you want to learn more about Did AI Write That? Contact us. So, some things that we do for visual thinking is that we go in and we have the students writing and creating and collaborating together. So as they're learning through the process, the students will work on a different type of activity with a partner. Number two, think about using your smart boards or your interactive panels and get the students up and working together by solving some fun Jeopardy questions. Here's my geometry class, and what they are doing is they're going in and solving that problem. They're not playing the whole game of Jeopardy, they're doing 3 questions. All right, another thing that I love, this is such a great idea, and I highly recommend it, is Graffiti Walls. And this one's doing a book graffiti wall. Well, while they're reading, they'll talk about predictions that they have in the book, or they'll be talking about their favorite quotes, or what they think about the characteristic traits of one of the characters. And if they were to switch one of the character traits, what would happen? Graffiti walls work for math, for science, for social studies, for language arts, for every subject, because it really just allows the students to just go up, put up their thoughts, and then allow other students to read what they wrote. All right, which one does not belong? This is a great math activity, free activities at this website. And the students go in and they look at the different problems and different solutions, and they have to pick the one that does not belong. Easy, great way to check for learning. And then finally, one of the things that I love to do inside of a classroom environment is do a 3, 2, 1, and I use Padlet. 3 things that you learned today, 2 things that you still wonder about, and 1 thing that you're going to share out with the class tomorrow. And I do it through audio or a video, and the students can go in and they can share out their thoughts. We can make it private. They don't have to share it with the whole group. I just need to see what did they learn for that day. Let's flip the script and let's go to authenticating the learning.